Hello, I'm Troy Bockelmann with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by IMI Global. Third-party verification programs are an important part of your risk management toolkit. You're doing everything you can to select the best genetics, feeds, and health programs, so why not maximize those efforts by opening the door to expanded market opportunities? Visit imiglobal.com today to get started. The national corn harvest is now in the final stages. As of November 10th, corn harvest was 66% complete, compared to 84% a year ago and the 5-year average of 85%. With harvest in the final swing, the USDA has adjusted corn yield for the 2019 crop. In the recently released USDA WASDE report, the national corn yield was reduced 1.4 bushels an acre to 167.0. With the decreased yield and no change in harvested acres, corn production was estimated at 13.66 billion bushels, down just over 750 million bushels from a year ago. On the demand side, weekly export data has shown relatively weak exports for the 2019-20 market year that started in September. As a result, the export estimate was reduced 50 million bushels to 1.85 billion bushels, down 10% from last year. The ethanol industry continues to struggle with margins below break-even, and news of plant closures continues to be heard. Corn use for ethanol was reduced 25 million bushels to 5.375 billion bushels, steady with a year ago, and down from the 2017-18 peak of 5.6 billion bushels. Feed and residual use was also reduced due to the smaller crop, now at 5.275 billion bushels compared to 5.62 billion a year ago. In November, the demand decrease offset the smaller supply, and stocks to use only decreased 0.1% to 13.7%. With yield near expectations, significant changes are not expected. Yet with late planting, a wet summer, and early winter storms, harvested acres still have risk lower. Market participants will likely wait until January for major changes in harvested acres. Historically, when stocks to use are above 12%, spot futures spend very little time above $4 a bushel for a monthly average. Given harvested acres are not significantly lower, protein producers will continue to have manageable feed costs into 2020. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the volatility is extreme, the risks are big, but the opportunities for success are there. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 50 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, our focus is you. We provide a direct line of contact with you, our client, to the CattleFax team with our daily updated website, modernized mobile app, or the traditional phone conversation. CattleFax, the deciding factor. Become a member at CattleFax.com.